Hello guys, good morning to all of you. This is Maggie Raj here, and now I am going to get discuss about the earth magnetism and component of earth magnetism. So first of all, let me discuss here what is the dynamo effect. So dynamo effect क्या है? So initially it was understood that the magnetism produced by any gained bar magnet which placed at the axis of earth, यानी ये ऐसा महसूस किया गया कि अर्थ के एक्सिस में कोई बहुत बड़ा बार मैग्नेट रखा हुआ है जिसके थ्रू ये मैग्नेटिज्म प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है, बट इट वाज नॉट राइट। ओके, ये क्या था, कैसे ये मैग्नेटिज्म प्रोड्यूस होता था? सो दिस मैग्नेटिज्म वी कैन से दैट सिंपली द इट अराइजेज मीन्स इट दिस मैग्नेटिज्म अराइजेज ड्यू टू द electric current whatever be produced by the convective motion of the metals or which are consist in the molten condition, which are consisted in the molten stage of iron and nickel. Okay, so due to this some magnetism produced, that is known as dynamo effect. Okay, so simply we can say that the magnetism produced by the convectional motion of the molten material like iron and nickel, that is the known as dynamo effect. यानी मोल्टेन स्टेज में जो आयरन और निकल थे उनके थ्रू जो कन्वेक्शनल करंट प्रोड्यूस होता था उसके थ्रू जो मैग्नेटिज्म मिलता था, दैट इज द डायनामो इफेक्ट. ओके, सो सिंपली वी कैन से दैट some current produces some convectional current produces due to the convective motion of molten stage of iron and nickel, and due to which some magnetism be produced. This phenomena is known as dynamo effect. And now let me discuss here the condition of earth magnetism. So this is the earth and it rotated about its axis, where this is the north geographical and this is the this is north and this is south geographical. Okay, and this its original geographical equator and it is the magnetic equator. Okay, and simply we can say that the north magnetic pole, this is the south magnetic poles. Okay, and north magnetic pole, simply we can say that a pole which is nearer with the north geographical pole is known as north magnetic pole, and simply the pole which is nearer with the south geographical pole is known as south magnetic pole. And we can say that the axis of these magnetic line and geographical line is not same, but they are differ by the 11.3 degree approximate. Okay, so let me discuss here what are the north and south pole of the magnet or earth magnetism. So here the north pole which situated in the North Canada and it is the 79.74 degree north latitude and 71.8 degree west longitude, and this is situated at the North Canada. And simply the south pole or south earth magnetism pole, it placed at the Antarctica and its position is 79.74 degree with the south latitude and 108.22 degree the east longitude. So these are the position of north and south magnetic poles. Okay, so here in this graph drawn, this is the north magnetic pole, and here we are going to draw the some components of the earth magnetic field. So this is the resultant magnetic field where He is the horizontal component of the earth magnetism and ZE is the vertical component of the earth magnetism. I is the angle of dip and D is the angle of declination. So simply we can say that what is the angle of declination? So angle of declination, simply we can say that the angle between magnetic meridian with the geographical meridian. Okay, angle of declination. So you can say that the angle which formed between the magnetic meridian and geographical meridian. Okay, magnetic meridian and geographical meridian. Is called angle of declination and it is denoted by the D. So simply this is the true north and this is the horizontal component of the magnetic field. Or simply we can say that these are two terminals, two poles, the magnetic meridian and geographical meridian, and this angle is denoted by D, which is angle of declination, and simply angle of dip the angle which formed with the horizontal of magnetic field. Okay, रिजल्टेंट मैग्नेटिक फील्ड और हॉरिजॉन्टल कंपोनेंट के साथ जो एंगल बनता है वो एंगल ऑफ डिप होता है. ओके, दिस इज आई, दिस इज द हॉरिजॉन्टल कंपोनेंट एच ई एंड दिस इज द रिजल्टेंट मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. सो सिंपली वी कैन से दैट रिजल्टेंट मैग्नेटिक फील्ड को आप नहीं भी बोल सकते, सिंपली वी कैन से दैट द मैग्नेट व्हिच मेक्स एन एंगल with the horizontal is known as angle of dip, or simply we can say that angle of dip is the angle between the resultant magnetic field and the horizontal magnetic field. Okay, this is denoted by I. So here let me consider BE is the resultant magnetic field. Okay, and HE is the horizontal component, that is known as BE cos I, and ZE is the vertical component, BE sin I. These are two values. So here square and adding both equation just like HE square plus ZE square equals to BE square cos square I plus sin square I, and this is the identity cos square theta plus sin square theta is equals to 1. So according to this, BE square is equals to HE square plus ZE square. So BE will be equals to HE square plus ZE square. This is the value of resultant मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. हॉरिजॉन्टल कंपोनेंट कॉस के फॉर्म में होता है और वर्टिकल कंपोनेंट साइन के फॉर्म में होता है. सो ये अर्थ मैग्नेटिज्म के फॉर्म में है, BE cos I and BE sin I. So square and adding both equation. Due to this method we can find the resultant magnetic field, and whenever we will do the ratio of both equation like this, so equation 2 divided by equation 1 like BE sin I upon BE cos I, so that is equal to ZE upon HE. So due to this it is equal to tan I equals to ZE upon HE, and we can find I equals to tan inverse ZE upon HE. Okay, so this is the value of angle of dip. So in this way we can solve the component of earth magnetism.